Hey guys, so we just finished our beginners class. Yeah, I am so excited. This has been long time in coming. I have always wanted to be able to just educate and share my knowledge on this industry called Forex. And we just started our maiden class today, and the turnout was amazing. We have a full complete class that will be running for the next 8 weeks. So guys are gonna be with me every single Tuesday for the next eight weeks, and it's really, I'm really excited. I'm like really excited. So I just wanna invite you out there, if you've ever thought about Forex, and you want somebody who's going to hold your hand literally through this journey. Okay, we all need hand holding in this industry, so come to me. I've been there, done that. I am going to hold your hand. I'm going to show you the ropes. I'm going to show you how to analyze charts, how to enter and exit trades, you name it. Okay, by the time we are done with our 8 weeks, you should be confident enough to actually do the same thing that I do, and then we can start living our dreams and just creating that side income, outside of what it is you're doing. So welcome. Feel free to DM, slide into the DM, and let's see you in our next session. I really look forward to seeing new faces in the next session. Our classes are just $150. And you know what? You're with us for 8 weeks. So thank you guys. And yay, we are live officially. See you guys.